Here we can see an S3 bucket containing our consolidated archived projects. Normally, if we wanted to work on one of these, we'd first need to download it locally. Even for a relatively small project, like this 17 gigabyte project, that's time-consuming and an unnecessary overhead. With LucidLink Connect, that step disappears. We can access and work with data directly where it already lives in S3. No download required. Here, I've opened the LucidLink client, and you'll notice the file space is currently empty. Using the Connect APIs, we can instantly link these archived files into the file space. This can be triggered from multiple environments, but in this case, we'll do it directly inside Adobe Premiere. Inside Premiere, we've built a demonstration panel that allows us to connect to the S3 bucket, specify a LucidLink API endpoint, and browse available file spaces that have the Connect feature enabled within our workspace. Now let's select our Connect file space. From here, I can browse the S3 bucket just like a local file system, locate my archived project, and initiate a link, all directly from the panel. As soon as I do that, the assets appear instantly on my local system, as if they've been downloaded, but importantly, they haven't been downloaded at all. They're being streamed directly from S3 in their native S3 format, while maintaining the original file paths. Now I can simply open the project file in Premiere and immediately start working. All media updates in place, and I can edit, scrub, and playback content in real time, streaming directly from the bucket. When I'm done, I can export my sequence straight from S3, again, without any manual transfers. And it doesn't stop there. Using the same APIs, I can also share this project with other users. I can browse Workspace members or groups, assign permissions, and grant access instantly. The result? The project appears on another user's desktop immediately, ready to open and work on. This is just one example of how LucidLink Connect transforms native archived files in S3 object storage into a live collaborative workspace. Check out our resources for more information.